What does an impairment rating mean under maritime law or the Jones Act? I'm maritime attorney Tim Young. Our office focuses on maritime injury claims and Jones Act claims. I want to discuss with you very briefly what an impairment rating means under maritime law and the Jones Act. A lot of our clients will go have medical treatment performed by a physician. They may even have a surgery, and at some point towards the end of their treatment they receive what's called an impairment rating. These clients will then ask if the amount of their Jones Act settlement will be related to that impairment rating. In other words, our clients want to know, if I have a higher impairment rating, does that mean that I get a higher Jones Act settlement? The answer is no, not necessarily. Under the Jones Act, what's critical is what you can functionally do. If you're injured while working on a vessel or an oil rig and you are no longer able to go back to that job, chances are you're going to lose a lot of money in future wages. You may have a very low impairment rating of 4 or 5%, but if it's to your knee or a significant part of your body, that may prohibit you from going back onto an oil rig or a vessel. So even though you may have a low impairment rating, if it keeps you from actually going out functionally, if it keeps you from performing your old job, chances are you're entitled to a very high Jones Act settlement. By the same token, sometimes you may have a high impairment rating to a very small or minor part of your body. Sometimes if your fingers are injured, you may have 100% disability to your finger, but if it doesn't prevent you from doing your work job, you're not going to lose any future wages. So the impairment rating that you may have after a Jones Act injury is not real important as far as how much of a settlement you may get or how much your claim may be worth. What's really important under maritime law and under the Jones Act is what you can functionally go back to doing after your injury and accident. Call us if you have any questions about how your impairment rating may affect your Jones Act settlement, how your functional ability may affect it, or any other questions you may have about the Jones Act, maritime law, or your rights and choices under those.